Hello students, welcome to Prof Triumph Academy. Myself Dr. Kajal Rai and today we are going to learn about SQL queries. So first of all there are many SQL queries but let's start with the making a database or first we have to know कि कितने database हैं हमारे systems में या server पर. तो कितने डेटाबेस हैं कौन कौन से डेटाबेस हैं वो देखने के लिए जो हमारे पास कमांड है वो होती है शो डेटाबेसेस. शो डेटाबेसेस से वी कैन सर्च कि कितने डेटाबेसेस हमारे पास हैं. व्हेन यू write this type of command and this I am going to run in the XAMPP. So if you press the go button then it will show you that these are the databases you have. This is the result. Okay, so this is the databases I have on my server right now. So now again we are going to this and now we are creating a new database. So for that there is a command called create database and then the name of the database which you want to give. Suppose I want to give university is the name of the database. Then I have to write create database then the name of the database and just clicking on the go button. Now the database is created but I don't know whether there is a database or not. So I am going to again type the query of show databases. Now let's see whether there is a my database has been created or no with the name of university. So now you can see this is the database already created with the name of the university. So this is a very simple command. Now again we will go to the SQL prompt and when we have to work on anything we have to use that database. Our database name was university. So this is the command use university. You have to give the name of the database, right? Now first we have to create a table. Now what is a table? Table is a collection of different columns and attributes, or we can say, and different records in it. Records mean instances which we have to put into it. For creating we have a create command we already used to create the database. Now it's time to create the table inside the database. So write create table and then the name of the table. कि name क्या होगा? University के अंदर suppose we are making a student table, right? To fill out the details of students. Then we have to put the parenthesis and there inside the parenthesis we have to decide the attributes name or the columns name. Suppose roll number is the one attribute. Then we have just we can't leave like that. So roll number के साथ हमें क्या देना पड़ेगा? हमने कॉलम का नाम ले लिया रोल नंबर बट वी हैव टू गिव द डेटा टाइप ऑफ इट. तो रोल नंबर एज वी नो कि न्यूमेरिक ही होता है, इंटीजर टाइप का भी होता है, तो हम इंट ले लेते हैं और उसका साइज हमें देना पड़ेगा. रोल नंबर सपोज वी हैव फिक्स द 10 characters for roll number or 10 digits we have fixed for the roll number. Now we are giving the name. Name is the character, so we can have the data type of varchar in SQL which we can use for our data type. Then again we have to give the size. Now I am giving the size 20. Likewise you can give as many fields as required by your table. Suppose now I have to give the phone number also. So phone number is also a field. Now phone number is also integer type field, so I am giving like this. Now we have to close the parenthesis and put the semicolon right here. Now I am going to run this query. So I am pressing the go command here, right? So now my table has been created. If I want to now see that this table has been created but I can't run this query again, otherwise the same name table will be creating and it will give me an error. So I have to delete this. Now I have to see my table. Then there is a describe command. Describe command helps you to see what are the different columns or attributes inside your table and what are the data types or the size of those attributes. So there is a describe command. But remember you have to use this command always when you are working in a table inside any database. So you have to use this command use and the name of the database which you are going to use. This command you always give when you are working inside a table or inside a database, we can say. Now describe student, let's see what is the output. Now this is the output of my describe. This whole is the output. You can see there are three fields, roll number, name and phone number, the type of the field which we have already given, and there are different things inside it which we can discuss later. Null is, I can tell you that null is the thing that either we can insert the instances into it, any record into it, or we can leave it. This is our choice, because null is yes, that means we can either insert anything in it in this column, or we can leave it. And later we can study about not null and so many constants. Later it will be coming, unique, not null, and many more. So we will work on that later on. For now we had created this table. Now it's time to insert something into the table. So now we are using this again. I am now inserting a data into the table. For that I have insert command, insert into table. Table का नाम हमें पता है student है. So we are going to insert something. Now what values we have to insert, we have to give that, but also we have to know that what are the different columns in which we are going to place the values. Because ऐसा हो सकता है हमें सारे कॉलम्स में या सारी फील्ड्स के अंदर वैल्यूज प्लेस नहीं करनी है, तो हमें पहले नाम देना पड़ेगा जिसके साथ आप वैल्यू प्लेस करना चाहते हैं. जैसे रोल नंबर था, देन नेम था, देन हमारे पास था फ़ोन नंबर, राइट. सो आई हैव टू गिव दिस फर्स्ट, then space, then values, then different values which we have to give. Like 101 is the roll number, name is Neha, and then the phone number I am giving is this much. So in this way I can insert any data into the table. Now I have to click on the go button here. Right, now the value has been inserted inside it. Again let's check one more value I have to give. Now I am leaving one thing, right. Now suppose there is not null value. Suppose I don't know the phone number of someone, then I am not placing any value. I can leave it simply like this. Also I am changing here the roll number and the name like this. Okay, so I have leave one column and I am not placing the values inside it. This can be done because we have not so far apply any constant into it. Now it's time to watch what are the different values inside the tables we have put till now. So there is a command called select command. Select asterisk from table name. Table name was student. Asterisk, what does this asterisk mean? Asterisk means it will give you all the columns values irrespective of whatever they are. We are not applying anything, just writing simply the query to know the result. So this is the result. Two values we have put, two tuples we can say in this. So two values are there, roll number, name and phone number. Then second tuple is 102 Kajal, and then is null because we didn't put the phone number inside it. So we can leave that. That is the purpose of null. Now it is containing null values because we didn't put any values. So select asterisk is the option for that. Now coming again to the query box, how can we just want to know the roll number of different students? Then we can write the roll number, comma name, not the phone number. This we can say. In this way we can query anything, what are the fields, whatever we want to choose. If we want to look inside the big table, we just want one or two columns, then we can use this command. We have to specify what are the different row numbers is this, and then we can do that. So in this way we can do. So very simple. Again in the next video I will give you the different details, how we can put the checks, how we can leave something, how we can do the multiple insert commands. That I will show you in my next video. Thank you very much.